We say
So let me get this straight, boss. You want revenge on Smudger and Tim Barnett and Kiernan for cheating since Smudger and Tim Barnett are going through 5 nights at Gerald's hometown? Yes, and I'm the only one that had a plan for this. Splodge. Actually, it's Splatter and Dodge. For the last time, I got no time to say both names. And especially you two. And you know I only say both names to Arabian birds, but I got a plan to deal with Tim Barnett and get revenge on him and Smudger. But what about Smudger? Well, here's the plan. I pour some cement onto the road at his house between the rails and road, and when he drives out of the parking lot, his R500, his pickup truck, will get stuck in the cement, and later I'll get him. Well, you meant stuck? Have him get trapped? Stuck in cement? Yeah, trapped. Stuck in cement. Like he'll be in a concrete situation. I got one problem for you. You know Smudger's hanging out with him. You know he and Duke and Steamer Jennings and Tim Barnett are too busy to deal with you. Well, I'll try to get Smudger too. Like, later I will. Just don't be assuming me, because you know what happens if you're assuming something. It makes an ass out of you and a Ming. Ming? Did the boss just say... Don't even bother me with your nonsense. You're really annoying me, so... Would you shut up, Splodge? You're just really annoying me and you're giving me a bloody headache. And I'm sure there's nothing gonna get in my way. And anyways, I don't need you, Splatter and Dodge. You're on your own, Splodge, so later! You know, that sounds a bit cringe. Well, I think cringe isn't bad. Well, for me, Splatter, I think it's especially when a few engines celebrate Pride Month. I know. Ugh. Looks like Tim Barnett hasn't came back to his house yet. Well, better start my cement concrete situation for it. Alright, Pinchy, time to make this concrete situation. Hell yeah! Knew I made a concrete mess! Hey! Who did that to Tim Barnett's house? What? What? Who said that? What the? Did you wake me up? Did you hear me? Aladdin and I are busy, along with Cassie, which is Aladdin's dad, which he is the king of thieves, and we're busy, and suddenly we heard a noise, And you suddenly thought you could make that mess? Oh, no, you don't. Not today.
You are not gonna mess with Smudger and Tim Barnett or Kiernan or anyone on Sodor and Arabian around the world. You're not gonna mess with
Anyone around the world, and
that is that. So go!
that's one way to deal with that Diesel in his claw. Good thing he's so funny that he got spooked, right, Tim Barnett? Well, good thing your powers did come a lot, do they? Yup, good thing it still comes in handy. And oh, better clean up that mess that he made. Wow, good thing this mess has been cleaned up, hasn't it? Yeah, thanks for helping, Genie. Anytime, Smudger and Tim Barnett. Anyways, gotta head back to Agrabah. Cassim and Aladdin are waiting for me, and Al and his dad is waiting for me, along with the 40 thieves, and Princess Jasmine's waiting for me. And Cassim and Aladdin are waiting for me, so I'll see you later, and hopefully you'll visit Agrabah someday. Don't worry, we will. Wow, that was so damn crazy. At least we won't deal with Diesel 10's crap anymore. Yup, indeed, Smudger. Good thing we're okay. We surely are. Surely are indeed.